at the stick.
Be slow, son. You gotta be real slow, otherwise it messes it up.
Give it here. Give it here. I'm not doing that.
Film him slowly.
Come on. Give it to me. You're an idiot. I don't like you. Bring it here. I'm not interested in it anymore. I'm going to sit down here. I don't care about no stinking dog.
Okay.
Give me that thing.
I must have the 128 megabytes because it's not using up much.
Look at Bruno, he's up on the step. Bruno, you got the chocolate cloud done.
That's good. Say that again?
This slug was eating dog shit off the side of the trail here.
Is that why you pissed on him?
Yeah. Murray
Get away, Barkley.
Murray has to do that one. No, I don't want you now.
Right there is a dead slug, and it's dead because I can't zoom with this thing.
No, not unless.
There's a dead slug that Nemor peed all over. How gross!